We're helping put together some bicycles for kids, you know. I mean, they got a lot of things set up for us, so it's pretty easy. They got the tools, the tables already, so just a little teamwork, putting together some bikes and getting them ready for some kids and put some smiles on some little guy's face.
Today we've done 108,000 bicycles. This year we're adding another 8,000 to that, which will mean 116,000. For the past 3 years, the children have all signed contracts with their teachers to earn these bicycles.
The things that these bikes can do for a little kid is just amazing. I mean, they showed us a video at the beginning that showed the difference a bike can make in a little kid's life that doesn't have much, and it's an honor to be a part of.
Good opportunity for us to be able to give back a little bit to the community of Houston, and you know, it's always good when you know you're going to put some smiles on some kids' faces, and you know, it's a big part of childhood for me was getting my first bike, so it's you know, it's definitely something special.
They're actually at practice tonight.